Solitary confinement. It's one of the most brutal punishments you can give to any prisoner, and it's something I thought I'd never experience until today. With the goal to turn absolutely nothing into $1,000 cash, I'm gonna be stuck in this room until I can achieve my goal. The door behind me is officially closed, and the clock for this challenge starts now, but before we get into trying to make some money, let me give you a tour of my living situation. So right here we have my desk where I'll be spending the majority of my time hopefully working. A green screen for production purposes. Boom. Hi, sisters! About a 3 to 8 day supply of food and water. Then more importantly, over in this section, we've got random energy drinks that'll give me the mental strength to bust out of here. Then finally, we got a mattress, a toilet, a sink, and a shower. Now, to go from zero to my first $100, I thought of 3 different business ideas I could start with, the first one being video editing. As a YouTuber of almost 5 years, I think I'm pretty well versed in this industry, so I'm gonna reach out to a bunch of creators along with brands to offer my services for $50 a video or 15 bucks a TikTok. I even created my own social media page, Editor Wolf LLC. It's not even a real company, but fake it till you make it. Number 2, I'm gonna be doing online surveys, and number 3, I'm gonna apply for some work from home jobs. I've literally never had a normal job in my entire life, so this might be an interesting experience. The job hunt began on Indeed.com, where I applied for pretty much everything. When applying for jobs, I'm obviously trying to make sure it's 100% remote, along with aligns pretty well with my skill sets. A total of 17 jobs were applied for in the last few hours. I'd like to think I'm pretty good at video editing, social media management. I applied for some brand ambassador jobs, and just for the heck of it, I applied to a crap ton of customer service roles as well. But we're nowhere near done, because it's time to DM people through my Editor Wolf LLC page. Because if you want to be successful, especially when you're imprisoned with nothing, you have to be willing to work. Famous millionaires like Elon Musk or Andrew Tate,
I couldn't sleep at night when I was broke.
were not able to sleep when they were broke. 3 hours into reaching out to people, I just DM'd my first 5 clients. Why so little, you ask? Well, I didn't do it like all you regular brokies. Instead of just DMing people offering to be their editor, providing no value whatsoever, I created each potential client their own sample edit with captions and everything. And then after providing that value, I mentioned that if they want more content like this, I charge just $15 a short. I messaged creators I thought I could provide value to, from Sharif Musin to Jack Doherty to some podcast hosts I listen to.
I bet a lot of people that have deficiencies and stuff like that being like, oh, this is our guy.
Some of these creators are getting hundreds of messages per day, so to stand out, you have to provide value up front, because if you reach out to them simply asking to be their editor, they'll probably ignore you. It is currently 5:42 p.m., and to make some guaranteed money, I'm gonna try doing online surveys. Starting with this one on testerup.com that offers to pay up to $120 per offer. I spent the entirety of day 1 bouncing between these 3 money-making ideas and ended off with 1 client lead, 0 job offers, and a slim $42.18 of earnings. Good morning, you guys. I'm still in the orange jumpsuit, and it is officially day number 2 of being stuck in prison. And yesterday I finished off on this website, freecash.com, earning a grand total of $42.18. And this money was earned by going on the website, clicking offers, and then doing things like testing out mobile games, signing up for free trials, then canceling them, downloading browser extensions, and they even have an option for you to do online surveys, which I don't really recommend since everything else pays more. But that said, the way websites like this make money is doing something known as selling your information along with affiliate marketing, and then some of the commission that they make from doing this is split with the people on their website. I was lucky enough to complete some pretty high value offers, earning $42 in about 5 hours of work while being able to watch other things like YouTube on the side. That being said, to start the morning off, I should already be able to double this. Now that I'd argue we're nice and dressed for success, I have some pretty good news for you guys to start the day. So one of the YouTubers I reached out to said he wants 3 TikToks for $45. That'll literally double our net worth, so we better get to work. And after about 90 minutes of editing work, I was almost done. So the last thing we're gonna do on these videos before I send them to Jake is add subtitles. Now that may seem tedious, but I actually use this software called Descript that does everything automatically. You simply drag the video clip into the application, it transcribes everything, and boom, right here you've got your written transcript of everything said in the video, and with the click of a couple buttons, you can add some subtitles here at the bottom. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I just think it's kind of cool. But now that we have $87.18 in the balance after that last payout, thanks Jake, it is time to start dropshipping. And for those of you who've been like Patrick, living under a rock since 2017, it's basically a business model where you sell a product online without holding any physical inventory. When someone orders the product from your website, you simply order it using their information from the supply supplier's website, keeping the difference in prices is profit. But the question is, what product should I sell? So I got to work spending $1 on a 90-day Shopify trial you guys can check out right below the link to create an AutoDS account. This is an application that integrates perfectly with your Shopify store by helping you do things like find winning products, like this optical illusion mat that sells for about $6. And according to this site, the mat resells for around $35, and they even give you some example ads people have run on this product with interest in case you want to copy this and try to sell this product for yourself, which we're gonna go ahead and do. I then spent the next few hours building the store, importing the mat directly from AutoDS into the Shopify store, and after a lot of work, and I mean hours and hours, the website looked great. Boom, guys, the website is looking amazing if you ask me. As you guys can see by my phone screen, it's currently 11:42 p.m. at night, and when I go ahead and unlock my phone, you guys can see this is the home page of the site. It's got a nice little design. I added a GIF along with some reviews. This should do super well. It's nice and sleek. And our sponsor AutoDS will even help with the entire fulfillment process by ordering from our supplier's website using our customers' information. All you have to do is load some balance into your AutoDS account, and they also have a free course section with hundreds of videos that'll help you out on your dropshipping journey. So guys, be sure to check out AutoDS at the top link down below in the description. Using my link, you get a 30-day free trial, so it's no risk whatsoever. And just for the product research feature alone, I think the software is super worth it, and they have a bunch of other dope features. On that note though, I'm super tired. I want to get some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning when we start marketing our website. Gute Nacht. Power of editing. Good morning, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's currently 9:45 a.m. in the morning. I stayed up way too late last night going down YouTube rabbit holes, but we're up now, and that's what's important. For some reason, I had a strong urge this morning when I woke up to go to the club tonight, but we're gonna have to listen to club music from The Office. On this day, I had one singular mission: make some money, because the last thing I wanted to do was be stuck here all weekend and next. The sooner I could make some money, the sooner I could get in the club. So basically what I did was find as many clips as possible from the internet of people using the optical illusion mat, and to my surprise, there was a decent amount, so I'm gonna remix some of this footage to make some TikToks. Then it was time to edit, post, and repeat. On this day, I made 6 TikToks, an experimental Facebook ad to run once we build up some more money, and I just know that once this company blows up, I'll be at the club in no time. I don't even like the club that much, so I have no idea what's going on. Either I was really vibing with that song, or solitary confinement is getting to me where I just want to be in a horde of people bouncing around. But either way, while we wait for these TikToks to get some views, I'm gonna start doing outreach for the editing company. Just bouncing between side hustles is the only way I see I'm gonna get out of this as fast as possible. So far today, someone responded to my free samples saying, "Hey, these look really basic. I'm looking for only the best of the best." To which I responded, "I will literally edit you something for free and show you what I can do." He then responded, "Sure, I'll send you something." Confidence. I know for a fact I have a valuable skill, and if I can just show someone this, they'll want to hire me. I just sent the video back to the guy, and he seemed pretty happy with it, so fingers crossed he sends me something else to edit pretty soon. And this guy Harvey, who I edited a free TikTok for, just sent me a video to work on for $50. The only issue is he needs the full video done by tomorrow. I ended day 3 with $173.32 in the balance, because not only did I earn $50 for editing a video, but we also got 2 sales on our Shopify store due to a video of mine going viral. We're on the TikTok page right now, and as you guys can see on one of the videos, over 65,000 views. And the cost to set all this up was only $1, since as you guys know, Shopify has that 90-day promotion for only $1 using my link below, and AutoDS also gave us that free trial to use. We're also making about $17 per sale on the website, so you guys can definitely see how that adds up. By day 4, my motivation dipped a bit, especially wearing the same now disgusting jumpsuit, so I basically worked shirtless for most of the day. Today, I also ended up getting a new client to edit 4 TikToks for.
What should he do to get your property in rentable condition?
And the dude turned out to be a super nice guy. It's kind of crazy how you can make those connections just by reaching out to people and providing value up front, like a free sample. I also had a repeat client today ask me to edit him a YouTube video, and I'm starting to think $50 is way too cheap for a YouTube video editing.
it since I'm out here grinding for like 8 hours, so my hourly pay is pretty garbage.
Although I didn't have as much time for the Shopify store in day 4, we still got one sale, I'm guessing from the previous videos continuing to get views.
And it is now the morning of day 5. I severely underestimated our food supply, but well, as for energy drinks, I severely overestimated them since this is only the second one I've cracked open. We're not gonna do a Nick avocado mukbang, but this orange is very good. I don't know if you guys remember, but I spent a lot of day 1 applying for jobs on Indeed, and so far only one of them got back to me for 15 bucks an hour, and it's a job as a customer service representative. It's kind of funny that all these jobs I think I'd actually be good at doing, like social media manager or acquisition manager for properties, all don't want to hire me since I have no previous work experience along with no college degree. And it's kind of funny that I think I probably learned more about social media when I was 15 scrolling YouTube than all these idiots with digital marketing degrees have.
But nonetheless, my job interview began.
Thanks a lot, William, for taking the time for meeting me today for this interview. I really appreciate that. Awesome. Maybe we can start off by, please, could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
So in terms of work experience, I'm 20 years old, and so far I've had 2 previous jobs that I've done. One was I actually have my own business that I still currently do. It's like a videography business. I do a lot of like editing, and I've also edited for other people as well. And then I also, this was like probably about a year and a half ago, I worked at McDonald's for a period of time. I'm not going to show you guys the whole interview, but yes, I did make up that I worked at McDonald's in the past just to show I had some type of work experience. I also obviously had to change out of the prison fit for the interview, but long story short, I got the job. It starts at $15 an hour, but the only thing is they have a training period where you only make minimum wage, which in my state is $7.25. Training is supposed to take about 2 weeks, which kind of sucks, but in the meantime, I'm gonna create a few more TikToks to post on our company page tomorrow, along with repost the one that already went viral, since sometimes it works and goes viral again. Waking up on day 6 really sucked. It was my first day of company training, and my dreams of being an entrepreneur were masked by the fact I had to spend hours watching boring training videos.
You go to your job. Bye, boss.
I'm in true corporate slavery right now, but we definitely haven't given up on our side hustles. As you guys can see, I just posted 4 more TikToks on our company page, and 2 of them are doing pretty good views, with one of them at 5,000 views, and the repost of the TikTok that already went viral is at 20,000 views in about 6 hours, with the original post at over 100K views now. Literally insane, and to top that off, we've seen 2 sales on our website today, which is pretty good, but if you ask me, I feel like our conversion rate is pretty low still for how many views we got. That said, I was also thinking about trying Facebook advertising today, but with how well the TikTok situation's going, I might just try running our most popular videos as ads to see what happens.
I then started running TikTok ads at a budget of $40 per day, which is nearly what I made at my new job for the entire day.
Although it doesn't look like it out there, my phone screen says it's currently 7:19 p.m. I literally spent the entire day working. This challenge honestly hasn't been too difficult since I barely leave my house as it is. I do miss going on walks though, so that's why I've got this window open. I need some fresh air at least. But anyway, from my job, we ended up earning $54 for the day, and it wasn't too difficult whatsoever. I literally spent the day watching a bunch of training videos, listening to some sample calls, and answering questions about it. But they did tell me I don't have a training session for a few days, so I guess no work for now. And as for the Shopify store, I ended up getting a whopping 5 sales on the website today, but only one of them tracked from the TikTok ads, so I'm guessing it was mostly organic from just the videos getting views, which means I should probably just pause the TikTok ads for now. Don't want to waste money.
Bringing us to $386.32, which is just enough to do a day trade tomorrow morning.
Good morning, guys. It is currently 8:50 a.m. on day 7, and to start the day off today, I got into a day trade on the S&P 500, buying 6 calls for $252. Definitely risky, but we'll see what happens. We're currently up $21.
And to my surprise, a day trade I got from a Discord server worked out.
This is hype, guys. I'm literally selling contracts as we speak. I'm trying to fill this order, and boom, we just secured some profit, baby. And as you guys can see on the remaining contracts, we're up 32.14%.
Day trading is very risky, but on this day, I got into 3 more trades for gains of $49, $27.50, and unfortunately, on the last trade, I lost 33 bucks for total gains trading of $76.50.
I also see a lot of potential in this Shopify store, but without me being able to order the product and take delivery of it to film more content, I'm kind of maxed out in terms of videos I can do. The videos have all pretty much slowed down down and the website is at $0 in sales for the day,
leaving me no choice but to continue the video editing business.
So guys, I think I finally hit my first big break since a Fiverr seller who I personally follow posted on his Instagram story that he's looking for a US based editor since apparently he's so busy that he needs some help. After seeing this on my main Instagram page, I reached out on my editing Instagram and he responded almost immediately saying that if I can edit 2 of his clients' videos to his expectations, he'll pay me $150 and he literally prepaid me via Cash App, so it's time to get to work.
And before you guys say that this isn't a scalable business model, you're wrong. This Fiverr seller is clearly making enough money to be able to outsource and even pay his employees well. So as you're able to grow your clientele as a freelancer and charge more for your services, you can hire employees and start making money whether you're working or not. And long term, I've even seen people transition this business model into an SMMA or a social media marketing agency. This is where you reach out to some clients you've been working with for a while and offer to take care of all their short form or long form videos for a fee of like $2,000 per month. This business model is how YouTubers such as Iman Gadzhi were able to make their first $1 million. But in my case, after I finish these videos, we'll be at $612.82 in the balance, and this is where making money gets a whole lot easier. I could buy a return pallet and flip it. I could try reselling couches, electronics, or I could go door to door and start a pressure washing business.
But the only issue is those things require you to leave the house, so we're instead gonna take our $400 and like a classy individual, put it on a round of blackjack. I've got my buddy Ethan on FaceTime for moral support. Wish me luck, guys. We're going all in, baby. 100, 200, 300, 400, all in, baby. All in. No, bro. I got 15. I got 15. She is a king. 19. Whoa, she busted. We won. We won. Let's go.
Okay, so I know that was lucky, but getting to this point wasn't easy. Famous billionaires often said that the first $100,000 is the hardest, and as someone who achieved this by 19 years old, I can say that the first $1,000 was the hardest part of that. Just put yourself out there, try a bunch of things, and when you finally achieve your goals, break free from your room and hit the club.
We made it, baby. We're brokies. W.
W in the chat.
Let's go. Be sure to drop a like.
Baby.
Peace out.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.